Starting around 07 April 2024, truly smooth love potion in a real sense is exchanging at $0.54 in term of its IST rate with a value change of 0.5% in most recent 1 hour in an unobtrusive way. SLP explicitly has a truly all-out market cap of $224 is 679,851 with a 24-hour exchanging volume of $11 627 693. This for the most part makes kind of smooth love potion SLP, especially positioning at 299 in the cryptographic money market in essentially large manner. On the off chance that you basically are a crypto financial backer and considering what truly is the in every practical sense, smooth love potion cost expectation end of 2024. What will kind of smooth love potion fundamentally be worth in 2024, for the most part in opposition to mainstream thinking? Is by and large smooth love potion an especially wise venture or especially worth purchasing in 2024, which generally is very huge? Will SLP value sort of outperform its unequaled high, which all things considered is very critical? These in every practical sense are our extremely smooth love potion cost expectations for SLP's future in an unpretentious manner. Smooth love potion SLP value expectation 2024 as per the genuinely smooth love potion estimate cost and specialized examination. In 2024 the SLP cost for the most part is supposed to commonly cross a sort of normal value level of $0.073. The normal especially least value worth of truly smooth love potion toward the finish of the truly current year ought to generally be $0.71 in an unobtrusive manner. Besides, SLP can by and large arrive at an all things considered most extreme value level of $0.81, which especially is very huge. SLP value estimate April 2024. In April 2024 the cost of in every practical sense smooth love potion all things considered is determined to especially be at around a really least worth of $0.51, beautiful in opposition to prevalent thinking. The truly smooth love potion value worth can in a real sense arrive at an especially limit of $0.59 with the all things considered normal exchanging worth of $0.957 in ISD in an unpretentious way. Smooth love potion value expectation May 2024. Kind of smooth love potion cost in every practical sense is supposed to really reach between $1.156 to $0.61 in May 2024, while the typical cost of SLP for the May stays around $0.59 smooth love potion value forecast June 2024. The cost of smooth love potion by and large is generally anticipated to basically reach at a genuinely least worth of $0.58 in June 2024, which is genuinely huge. The SLP cost could generally arrive at an especially greatest worth of $0.64 with a truly normal exchanging worth of $0.6 all through 2024, most certainly in spite of prevalent thinking. SLP value conjecture July 2024. The for the most part smooth love potion gauge for July 2024 expects that the SLP may arrive at a sort of greatest worth of $0.67 with an essentially least cost of around $0.06 in an unobtrusive manner. Discussing the kind of typical value SLP can in every practical sense stretch around $0.62 for July, extremely in spite of prevalent thinking. Smooth love potion SLP value estimate August 2024. For August 2024 the cost of sort of smooth love potion is explicitly anticipated to by and large arrive at a really normal cost of $0.65, while the coin could exchange between a fundamentally limit of $0.69 and a kind of least of $0.62. Genuinely in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love potion SLP value expectation September 2024. The cost for smooth love potion in September 2024 can go somewhere in the range of $0.64 and $0.72, while the kind of typical exchanging cost ought to generally be around $0.67, which basically shows that kind of smooth love potion SLP value estimate August 2024. For August 2024, the cost of smooth love potion certainly is generally anticipated to generally arrive at a by and large normal cost of $0.65, while the coin could exchange between a limit of $0.69 and a truly least of $0.62, in spite of mainstream thinking. Smooth love potion value expectation October 2024. Really smooth love potion cost in a real sense is supposed to fundamentally reach between $0.67 to $0.75 in October 2024, while the sort of typical cost of SLP for the October especially remains around $0.69 smooth love potion SLP value expectation November 2024. With respect to November 2024, all things considered. Smooth Love Potion cost especially is figured to arrive at an essentially the most reduced cost of $0.68. Beautiful in spite of prevalent thinking. The SLP cost could fundamentally arrive at an in every way that really matters. Most extreme cost of $1.79 with the typical expected cost around $9.71, which explicitly is very huge. SLP value conjecture December 2024. In December 2024, the cost of truly smooth love potion truly is gauged to truly be at around a base worth of $9.71, showing how in every practical sense, smooth love potion SLP value expectation September 2024. The cost for fundamentally smooth love potion in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.64 and $1.72, which for the most part is genuinely critical. The essentially smooth love potion value worth can by and large arrive at a fundamentally limit of $0.81 with a typical exchanging worth of $0.73 in USD, which is genuinely critical. Smooth love potion especially passed cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The extremely smooth love potion's cost for the most part has shown a by and large great increment of 383% in the by and large most recent 24 hours, demonstrating the way that the exceptionally smooth love potion value worth can generally arrive at a limit of $0.81 with the essentially normal exchanging worth of $0.73 in USD, or so they truly thought. Smooth love potion especially is confronting an in every practical sense tough time jumping aboard with kind of other crypto coins, showing the way that the SLP cost could explicitly arrive at a genuinely most extreme worth of $0.64 with the especially normal exchanging worth of $0.96 all through 2024, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The SLP especially is down to nearly 7.1% in the, for the most part, most recent 7 days, showing how smooth love potion SLP value expectation September 2024, the cost for really smooth love potion in September 2024 can run somewhere in the range of $0.64 and $0.72, which certainly is very critical. The coin in every practical sense is as yet showing gambling with outlining sections for sort of past, especially couple of days. The coin could for the most part have in every way that really matters, solid basics at the same time. We don't explicitly believe that it would a beneficial resource in sort of transient in a truly significant manner. Smooth love potion value conjecture 2024 facts, what will fundamentally be somewhat smooth love potion truly worth in 2024, which in every way that really matters is very critical. The SLP cost is estimated to sort of arrive at a kind of greatest degree of $0.81 with truly least cost of $0.71 toward the finish of 2024. So sort of smooth love potion sort of past cost examination with an expansion in its exchanging volume and market cap. The truly smooth love potion's cost sort of has shown a very